In today's video, we will guide you through some three popular websites where you can download free PC games. So let's get started. The first one is Steam. Steam is a digital distribution platform developed by Valve Corporation primarily used for purchasing and playing video games. Steam offers a vast library of PC games across various genres and categories. Users can purchase games directly from the Steam store using various payment methods including credit cards, PayPal, Steam wallets, funds, etc. Overall, Steam is widely recognized for its extensive game library, community features, and regular sales, making it a popular choice among PC gamers worldwide. Now, the second one is Epic Games. Epic Games Store is another popular digital distribution platform for PC games developed and maintained by Epic Games, the creator of Fortnite and the Unreal Engine. So, the similar to Steam, Epic Games Store offers a wide range of PC games across various genres. Epic Games Store regularly offers free games as part of their weekly giveaways. These can be claimed and added to your library permanently during the promotional period. So overall, Epic Game Store is known for its competitive pricing, exclusive titles, and the generous free game giveaways, making it a significant player in the PC gaming marketplace alongside platforms like Steam. Lastly, we have Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store, previously known as the Windows Store, is integrated into Windows 10 and Windows 11 by default. The Microsoft Store offers a wide range of PC games, including both free to play and paid titles. Games are categorized into various genres such as action, adventure, puzzle, simulations, and etc. So, overall, the Microsoft Store provides a straightforward way to discover, purchase, and manage games on Windows PCs, catering to both casual and dedicated gamers alike. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.